In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the overall color of a PNG in Photoshop using hue and saturation. Start by opening your PNG in Photoshop. Once it loads, take a moment to glance at the Layers panel. PNG files often come with transparency, and sometimes Photoshop treats the base layer as a background layer. If you see a small padlock icon next to it, that means the layer is locked. To unlock it, simply double-click the background layer name. A small dialog will appear. You can keep the default name or type a new one, then confirm. The lock icon should disappear, which means the layer is now editable and ready for color adjustments. Now, head to the Hue Saturation controls. Go to the top menu and choose Image, then Adjustments, then Hue Saturation. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+U on Windows or CMD+U on a Mac to bring up the same panel. This opens a dialog with three main sliders: Hue, Saturation, and Lightness. Make sure your PNG layer is selected when you open this so the changes apply to the right image. Here's what each slider does and how to use them effectively. Hue shifts all the colors around the color wheel. Moving it left or right will remap reds to greens, blues to purples, and so on. This is your primary control for changing the overall color theme. Go slowly and watch how the tones transition so you can land on a hue that fits your vision. Saturation controls the intensity of the color. Dragging it to the right boosts vibrancy and makes colors pop. Dragging it to the left reduces intensity for a softer, more muted look. Subtlety is key here. Small adjustments often look more natural, and pushing saturation too far can cause colors to clip or look harsh. Lightness adjusts how bright or dark the overall image appears. Use it to nudge the result if your new hue feels a bit heavy or too dim. Be careful not to wash out highlights or crush shadows by going too far. It's usually best for fine-tuning once you've set the hue and saturation. Because this method applies to the entire image, it's perfect for cohesive overall color shifts. Transparency in your PNG will remain intact, so you won't fill transparent areas with color. If you find one area changes more than you'd like, try smaller moves on the sliders and revisit the hue to find a balanced look. When you're happy with the result, close the dialog, and that's it. You've changed the overall color of your PNG quickly and cleanly using hue saturation. Experiment with different combinations